Okay, what makes Earth the habitable planet? So first, we're going to talk about mass and temperature. The mass of the Earth gives gravitational pull on gas molecules, so that means we can keep CO2 and oxygen on our planet. And then the temperature and mass together gives Earth the atmosphere. And the atmosphere is really important because the atmosphere protects us from the rays off of the sun. And along with the atmosphere, we have soil, which makes plant grow. And then we also have that goes into the rock cycle, and the water cycle is also important. So basically, every cycle on the earth is important. So next we're going to talk about the magnetic field. The magnetic field protects Earth from solar winds as well as comets and asteroids. The magnetic field also keeps the atmosphere. So we know that the liquid outer core helps the magnetic field as well as plate tectonics. It keeps the magnetic field strong because it's constantly moving up and down. The next thing we're going to talk about is the position of the Earth from the Sun. So the Earth needs to be close enough to the Sun where it will stay warm enough so our water is warm and it is liquid, but we don't want it so close that everything is boiling. Um, and not only does the sun keep the water warm, but the CO2 also helps keep the earth warm. So that's why we need to be able to hold on to those molecules. And that is what makes the earth a habitable planet.